How to do SEO for Shopify website. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to do SEO for your Shopify website. In this tutorial, we'll cover the essential steps to optimize your store for search engine, driving more organic traffic, and boosting your store sale. Now, before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, the first thing that we need to understand is the SEO basics for Shopify. Basically, SEO or search engine optimization helps improve your website's visibility on search engines like Google. Shopify offers built-in SEO features to maximize your website's potential. You'll need to implement additional strategies in order to make it fully optimized on your Shopify store. Now, basically, you have the keyword research. You want to identify relevant keywords. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to find out keywords that are relevant to your product. So basically, let's go ahead and use Google Trends as an example. This is trends.google.com. From here, if we then go ahead and click on the Trending Now page, we can then go ahead and see a lot of trending keywords that are and that can be related to our product. From here, you can just go ahead and categorize the location if you want to. In our video, let's go ahead and use United States as an example. So from here, we have something like Duolingo owl death. You have something like volcano eruption, LAFC versus Club America. You can just go ahead and prioritize through some of the trending keywords right here, and you want to capitalize it in order to use it to your own advantage to the Shopify store. Now, you can also go ahead and identify long tail keywords. You want to focus on long tail keyword for specific product searches with less competition. So let's go ahead and say that you're selling a t-shirt. You don't want to go ahead and put t-shirt on your product. You can go ahead and put something like expensive dry cloth t-shirt that is easy to wash. You can go ahead and experiment with those type of long tail keywords in order to be more specific and less competition in the t-shirt niche. Now, you want to go ahead and analyze your competitor website to discover valuable keyword opportunities. So let's go ahead and say that once again, you are up against something like Nike. And inside Nike, you can just go ahead and analyze some of their keywords and use it and study it to your own advantage. So from here, let's go ahead and click on some of the products that they are selling. In here, they have a simple keyword of the next generation of air technology, the Air Max DN features, and more. So you can go ahead and study your competitor in order to, once again, use it to your advantage. Now, basically inside Shopify, they have on-page SEO optimization. In here, you will go ahead and be able to use title tags. You can write unique descriptive titles with your target keywords. You have your meta description. You can craft compelling meta descriptions to improve click-through rates. You have your header tags H1, H2, and HT. You can go ahead and use proper heading structure for better readability and SEO. And lastly, you have your image optimization. You want to compress image and use descriptive keyword-rich file names and alt text. Now, another tip is going to be the URL structure. You can create clean, descriptive URLs that include relevant keywords. And moving forward, we want to navigate through the technical SEO for your Shopify website. The first thing that you want to do is the mobile friendliness. You want to ensure that your Shopify theme is responsive and mobile options, because nowadays, most of our customers are browsing from their mobile devices. You want to go ahead and optimize your site speed. Improve loading times by optimizing images, minimizing code, and using fast hosting. You want SSL certificate. You can just secure your site with HTTPS, which is favored by search engine. More likely, when you're using something like the HTTPS that has the SSL certificate, Google will go ahead and favor you when using that type of feature to your website. And lastly, for the technical SEO, you can go ahead and include the XML, sitemap, and robust.txt file. Shopify automatically generates this, but review them to ensure proper indexing. Now, on our fifth topic, which is going to be the content marketing strategy. The first thing that you want to do is blogging. You want to create valuable content related to your niche to attract and engage your audience. So let's go ahead and take a look at the nytimes.com as an example. From here, they are creating a blog about the best laptops. In your case, you can just go ahead and create a blog that's related to your niche. So maybe you could go ahead and type something like the best t-shirt or the best cloth that you can go ahead and wear when doing something else. So from here, they will go ahead and tell you what type of laptop you want to get, who are this for, where they fall short, and more. Basically, they will just go ahead and repeat this again and again. And inside their website, you can then go ahead and basically purchase the item straight away. This will then go ahead and lead to the product store. And most of the time, this blogs has the affiliate link integrated with them, so you can just go ahead and once again study some blogs or study your competitors, and from here you can just go ahead and take some ideas that they are already using and working in order to get better on their SEO Shopify. And moving forward, you can then go ahead and write product descriptions. Write unique keyword rich product description that highlights features and benefits. So going back to the Apple product right here, we can then go ahead and see that it is listed on their product highlights, and people can go ahead and easily read this. And basically, this can go ahead and help with our SEO optimization for Shopify. And lastly, you want to generate user-generated content, or most commonly known as UGC. You want to encourage customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and add fresh content. Most of the time, you will then go ahead and see this from platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram. Now for our sixth topic, which is going to be the link building. You want to go ahead and integrate the internal linking. Link relevant pages within your site to improve navigation and SEO. You want to backline strategy. Gain high quality backlinks through Quest, blogging, influencer collaboration, and industry partnership. Now, you want to go ahead and integrate the SEO apps and tools for Shopify. Basically, you have the SEO manager that helps with the on-page optimization and provides SEO insight. It is already integrated within your Shopify dashboard. You have something like the plugin SEO. It identifies SEO issues and offers recommendations to your Shopify store. And lastly, you have the Google Search Console and Analytics. You can go ahead and monitor your performance, track traffic, and identify issues. And lastly, you can then go ahead and track and analyze the SEO performance once more. You want to use key metrics, monitor organic traffic, keyword rankings, bounce rates, and conversions. You have your regular audits. You want to perform periodic SEO audits to identify areas for improvement. And lastly, you want to adjust your strategy. Continuously refine your SEO tactic based on the performance data or the metrics that you have reviewed. Now, by following these SEO strategies, you can significantly improve your Shopify website search engine visibility, attract more organic traffic, and boost your Shopify store. Now, you want to stay consistent. Keep learning and adapt to the latest SEO trends to maintain your competitive edge. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy optimizing. Thank you.